To Denver, where millions of people have gotten not one, not two, but three accidental emergency alerts this year. In January, a tech glitch caused a shelter-in-place alert to be sent citywide rather than for the 2 blocks that it was intended for. Then in April, a Denver 911 staffer didn't set a target area for an emergency message intended for just a block of people, so it too went out to the whole city. Then, 2 weeks ago, tornado sirens were set off by an employee that the city says wasn't trained on protocol. Kirsten Roth is your reporter in Denver and is tracking changes that the city is now making to its emergency alert process.
From text alerts to a tornado siren. 3 accidental emergency alerts in 6 months.
The trust is gone right now. That's what's hard.
CBS Colorado spoke with this Denver resident after she took shelter with her husband and animals when the city's tornado sirens cued a false alarm earlier this month.
I am fearful that after 7, 10, 15 of these happening, we're not going to take it seriously enough.
That prompted Denver's Office of Emergency Management to take action.
I want to know that we're getting out alerts expeditiously, but we're using them correctly.
Public safety notifications will now need additional approval. 911 will revert back to mostly using a system residents have to opt in for. And for citywide alerts, only OEM will be authorized to send.
To ensure that we have the appropriate level of oversight and our policies reflect using the appropriate tools for the appropriate emergency.
As for sirens, the city will get its cues from the National Weather Service.
Making sure that our outdoor warning siren system is only activated for weather events when the National Weather Service has issued the appropriate warning.
And the last course of action is adding more training. The department believes these changes will help restore the public's trust.
I believe that these changes that we are making, I think, are going to address the needs, and they'll send the appropriate alerts that go out for the appropriate emergencies.
In Denver, Kirsten Roth covering Colorado First.